Welcome to 17 AM, where today we compare the mighty 2026 Suzuki GSX R1000R against the legendary Honda CBR1000RR. These superbikes define speed, precision, and pure riding thrill. With track-inspired technology and aggressive engineering, both machines push limits. Let's dive deep into specs, performance, and handling to crown the ultimate winner. Engine power. Suzuki GSX R1000R boasts a 999cc inline-4 delivering 202 GP, while Honda's CBR1000RR produces around 189 GP. The difference is significant when it comes to raw speed. Suzuki's advanced variable valve timing optimizes output across the rev range, making it more versatile and powerful. Winner? Suzuki for its higher horsepower and stronger performance edge. Torque delivery. Suzuki generates 117 nanometers of torque at 10,800 revolutions per minute, whereas Honda offers about 114 nanometers at 11,000 revolutions per minute. While close, Suzuki's torque arrives slightly earlier, giving stronger mid-range pull and acceleration when exiting corners. Honda remains smooth but less aggressive. Winner, Suzuki, for delivering quicker punch and better drive out of bends. Weight and handling. The Suzuki GSX R1000R tips the scale at 202 kilograms, while the Honda CBR1000RR comes in slightly lighter at 200 kilograms. This 2 kilograms difference may seem small, but on twisty tracks and sharp bends, it plays a big role. Honda's lighter frame offers quicker cornering response, more agility in flicks, and smoother transitions, making it the sharper handler overall. Winner, Honda. Electronics package. Suzuki comes with advanced traction control, ride modes, launch control, and bidirectional quick shifter. Honda counters with ride-by-wire, wheelie control, ABS, and multiple riding modes. However, Suzuki's electronics feel more race-focused and customizable, providing riders with superior adaptability. Winner, Suzuki, for offering a more track-oriented electronic suite. Suspension setup. Suzuki features Showa balance, free front forks and rear shock designed for race-level precision and damping performance. Honda equips Showa big piston forks, providing stability but slightly less track aggressiveness. Both excel on road and track, but Suzuki edges ahead with superior suspension adjustability. Winner? Suzuki for its highly advanced suspension package. Braking performance. Suzuki equips Brembo monoblock calipers with dual 320mm discs, ensuring powerful and consistent stopping force. Honda matches with Tokigo calipers and 320mm discs, reliable but slightly less sharp in high-stress braking zones. On track, the Suzuki delivers stronger bite and better fade resistance. Winner, Suzuki for superior braking performance overall. Top speed. Suzuki GSX R1000R reaches an impressive top speed of 299 km per h, while Honda CBR1000R caps at around 286 km per h. The gap highlights Suzuki's performance tuning and aerodynamic efficiency, giving it an advantage on straights and track racing. Honda remains fast but less aggressive at the top end. Winner, Suzuki for higher achievable top speed. Design and styling. Suzuki carries sharp, aggressive aerodynamic lines inspired by MotoGP, emphasizing speed and track performance. Honda CBR1000RR balances aggressive looks with elegance, making it more refined for daily riders. While both look stunning, Honda wins with timeless design appeal that blends race DNA with street-friendly style. Winner Honda for its refined styling edge. Technology and display. Suzuki uses a TFT LCD display with clear rider interface, quick shifter indicator, and customizable layouts. Honda also offers a TFT panel with refined graphics and smoother transitions. While Suzuki is sharp, Honda's dash feels more premium, intuitive, and user-friendly for everyday riders. Winner, Honda for offering a more polished rider interface experience. Price and value. Suzuki GSX R1000R, priced around £16,500, delivers more power, advanced suspension, and stronger brakes at this cost. Honda CBR1000RR, around £15,999, is slightly cheaper but lacks the same raw performance specs. For riders seeking pure value, Honda appeals. But for track-focused enthusiasts, Suzuki offers more. Winner? Suzuki, for superior performance value. That wraps up our thrilling face-off between the Suzuki GSX R1000R and Honda CBR1000RR. Each bike shines, Honda with its balance and elegance, Suzuki with raw power and technology. For racers, Suzuki is the beast to tame. For everyday riders, Honda delivers refinement. Thanks for watching 17 AM. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more epic bike battles.